So if we click on the ad stuff, we get to the iGoogle Gadget search page. Now there are literally thousands of gadgets. You can sort by the most popular one. You can check out the editor picks. You can check out by category. I actually like just starting a search. So, if you like basketball, you can search for basketball gadgets, and I find there are several basketball gadgets. If I want to look up ballet, oops, I can find ballet gadgets. If I like music, I find music gadgets. And so I can basically look, there's a short blurb about them, and as soon as I've picked one that I like or I think I might like, I just click Add It Now, and then go back to the home page and take a look. So you'll notice that the default location for new gadgets is this top left, but as you've already seen, we're modular, so we can move it really anywhere that you want. And you can decide where you want to put it. Now, what you might want to do is to create a sandbox tab. By that I mean a tab where you try out new things. Before you decide that you do want a gadget, you might want to take it for a test drive. Play around with it for a few days, decide if you like it, and then you can put it on whichever tab that you decide you want to put it on. And remember, if you don't like a gadget, you can always delete that gadget. Asks if you're sure, and everything's back to normal. So it's completely flexible, completely changeable. One thing else I'm going to add is it's very easy to get carried away, especially when you're first starting this, to get carried away in adding gadgets. You basically want to only put about 6 or 7 gadgets on a single tab. Once you start adding more than that, you really start to lose the effectiveness of having those gadgets instantaneously there. You have to scroll down a long ways to get to that one gadget that you want. Now that doesn't mean that you can't have as many tabs as you like, each with a group of gadgets, and that's exactly what I've done here. And you'll start to see how finely tuned the gadgets are to the particular classes. And this was just a first initial sort of scanning of gadgets that relate to these classes. I'm sure as we start to use these, we're going to find many more gadgets that are specifically geared tools for our classes.